I am the Wizard of Imagination, and I teach simply this. Your mind's eye and your magic wand. It can be a paintbrush, it can be a pen, it can be crayons, because it is up to you to paint and write what's in your mind's eye through imagination. You can do anything with your imagination. Today, the wizards at the wellnessforchildrenproject.com have inspired me again to share with you a wonderful story of imagination. If I can get everybody to sit down, take a deep breath, blow it out, take another deep breath and blow it out. Relax. Feel yourself getting comfortable in your chair. Feel your body just getting cushy and warm. And now, let's see if you can imagine on a rainy day, as you go out, you hear the pitter and the patter of the rain on the roof before you go out. Hear it? Tick, 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 tick. It's the raindrops. The raindrops. Imagine the raindrops. Now think. What would you want to do to feel safe? Because if you'll and calmly think about every situation you're going into, what can you do to make sure you're safe? Well, if you're going out in the rain, you want an umbrella. So picture, if you would, in your mind's eye, an umbrella. Can you see it over your top of your head? Now, as you walk out, can you hear the rain tapping on the umbrella above you? Can you, kiddos? Can you imagine that? Imagine being out in the rain with a rainbow getting ready to come out because the sun's starting to break through, but that rain keeps on picking on top of your umbrella. Can you imagine that, kiddos? Go to your mind's eye and think of it. Now, you come back into the house afterwards. Now you want to get warm. You want to make sure you're dry. Think about it. And go and set. And maybe you're chilled. Maybe you have a fever. Let's talk about, what do you do if you have a fever? Your mind. Your mind can help. Take a deep breath again. Start visualizing ice cubes. Can you see those ice cubes, kiddos? Yeah. Can you see them? Imagine them all around your forehead, all around your cheeks, cooling you off. Yeah. Just cooling you off. That's what your mind can do. Your mind is powerful. You can know when you should be scared, but most of all, you should always know what you need to do to be safe. So always take a deep breath, blow it out. Think about what you want to do. Remember, you control you. That's the only thing we can control in life, is ourselves. So work every day at controlling you, so you like you. That's the most important. So you like you. So use your imagination. Picture who you would want to be and be that person. Take a deep breath, let it out, and do it calmly, and do it in control. Because as you're in control, kiddos, you can control yourself. You can control what happens. You can control your safety. You control how you feel. But you do it with your mind. Your mind's eye is all things. So imagine. And imagine sometimes with a brush, a pen, crayons, and make your dreams be on paper and make them real And by imagining, you make them real. And by controlling you, you control what happens to you. So let's all grab them. I love Barkley, but he's out today. He's not so well. But I like to borrow Barkley and I'll hug him, because sometimes, just to feel safe, you just need to cuddle to a friend, a pet, maybe even a stuffed pet. So use your imagination every day. Practice, practice. And remember, you could come back to the Wizard of Imagination anytime on YouTube and rewatch and watch, because we want you to use your imagination to control you. Be safe.